All right, excuse my mess. I have several rudder systems that I've been trying on this Feelfree 11.5, lure 11.5. This one didn't work because the stem was too short to fit in the handle, but I have this one that actually went all the way through. I attempted to make my own, but instead of going through all that hassle, I'm just going to use a factory rudder that's got a long stem on it. I'm going to have to cut these and redo all my cables. What's cool about this kayak is the wheel system. It actually looks like, if you wanted, you could put two smaller wheels on it. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's got a wheel for moving it around. That's pretty neat. I don't have the seat in it right now because I was working on the rudder system. So what I do is I set this rudder as far as I can this way, and then I'll make the loop over here. But what I used was these ratcheting little clips so that I can adjust the footpeg. That way the steering system's adjustable all the way from one end to the other. So you can bring it all the way up here. And what I really like about this is that it's so far back that I get a really good turn on the rudder. But like I said, I use these little ratcheting things. I mean, I don't know how long they're going to last. I go in with salt, but they're really nice. You pull this little pin right here and push with your foot over there. You can adjust it from the full length of the harmony. What do you call it? Anyway, I took the peg out of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to store them in here with maybe in a little plastic bag with a note that says Footpeg stops or something. Yep. There's my DIY rudder system. I use a coated cable and size 2.8 sleeves from Cabela's or Bass Pro. So what I did was I redid I'll add a link to the video of how I redid the tubes that go from here and come out over here. I'm just showing you, this is how I DIY'd my, I took the Harmony Footpeg and I pulled the little stopper out of it. I also made a video on how I did that. I'm gonna put another screw in the middle here because I got a little gap here. Actually, I don't even know if it's gonna hurt anything, but yeah, I'll probably put a screw in there anyway just to be safe. Yeah, I think the kayak this was on before had a curve in it. But yeah, this is my DIY rudder system. I've done one side. I don't need to show you both sides. I'll come back with a little quick video at the end of the kayak cleaned out with the seat in it and the working foot pegs. These are the original Feelfree, and actually this morning I just ordered the toe controls for it and decided I didn't want to wait. I made my own. But hey, if you don't have a Feelfree, if you don't have toe controls, this will work on any kayak. These little things are pretty cool. The ones that they sell, like I think they sell them at Walmart, and it comes with a pack of 2, and they're pretty big, and the rope's a little thicker. And I actually use those in my truck all the time for tying my kayaks down. So there you have it, DIY Feelfree Lure 11.5 rudder system. But looks like it's going to work pretty good. I'll come back at the end of this video with a seat in place, cleaned out, and the working rudder system. And what's nice is this is a Harmony Footpeg. That's what these are. And I have a video showing how you can take this clip out. Here's the clip laying down here. It just snaps in and snaps out. so that way my my foot peg will slide. What I like to do sometimes is I'll take a napkin with some cooking oil and rub it in here, or I'll take this off and rub it on the sides, and it makes it go. I mentioned this in another video, where if you push up here, it kind of holds it, but if you just keep your foot near the inside, it moves back and forth really easy. But it's just, if you want to use it as a foot peg, you can just put your foot on the outside here and it won't move. But, hey, there you go, the Feelfree 11.5 lure, or lure 11.5. This is the 2015 model. It's not the, there's a new one, it's called 2R or 2X or V2, I don't know, it's a newer version one. But this kayak, I haven't used it yet, but it's almost the exact same shape and size as my Wilderness Systems Ride 115. It's a 115, it's 11 and a half feet, so, and I love that kayak. I put a rudder system on that one, but it's actually a Wilderness Systems rudder system. My rudder system is in. I ran the deployment cables through here. I put a bad eye here, and one over there. This part over here is bungee, this part is paracord. But it's really hard to deploy, so I rubbed oh, the label fell off. I rubbed some sex wax on it, on the cables, or the cords, but it's still kind of hard to bring it up and down. I mean, hopefully I don't have to be doing that a lot. The steering works. That's also a little sticky, but I think it just needs to be used. Hey, if it don't work out, I'll take it off. The thing's been without a rudder for 6 years. I haven't even used it yet. But there we go. DIY rudder system. It's got adjustable foot pegs with the little ratchet straps I got here. And I've actually got it set just to where I need it. I love this seat. Hey, it's not doing it. I think my bungee's about had it. It's alright, I got a roll of bungee, I'll fix that too. Hey, thanks for watching. This is probably video number 1001 of DIY rudder systems. But that's one of those Amazon jobs. It's supposed to be spring loaded, but the spring inside screwed up, so I just yanked it out. What it is the rudder wants to stay down, and what you do is you attach the string to it and you pull it up when you're not using it, and it just stays up. But like I said, the spring snapped inside of it, so I set it up the way my other ones are. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there's a way of loosening this, because it's a little tight. Like I said, I put sex wax on it, but it didn't seem to help much. Again, thanks for watching. If you watch this far, you know what to do. Excuse the sun, I'm paddling around Woodlawn Lake right now. I'm actually over by the pool. That's the gymnasium right there. Thought I'd come out for a quick paddle today. I'm on the Feelfree Lure 11.5. I've got the seat all the way up. Man, this is like sitting in a lawn chair. It's nice, very stable. I added a rudder system to it today. The steering's a little sticky, but man, it's hard to deploy the to deploy the rudder. So I don't know. I might have to make a new rudder system for it. I don't know why everybody thinks I'm fishing. I've had 2 people ask me if I've had any luck. Whoa. Fish just jumped behind me. I didn't bring no fishing rods. Anyway. Track's real nice. I mean, I don't know if it really needs a rudder. I don't know, maybe replace it with a skeg or something. Turtle. But yeah, I'm having fun. Here, I'll let you watch from there for a little bit. Trying not to go into the sun, but do what we can do. The boat ramp's over there, the lighthouse is over there, dam's over there. I'm just paddling along the far side. Alright, that'll do for now. We'll talk to y'all later. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm enjoying it. Saturday evening, 6 o'clock. Oh, probably 6:30 by now. Yeah, there's my steering system. It's a little sticky. Yeah, see, I turned to the left. I pushed the left one and I turned to the left. Let the wind take me a little bit. Go straight. Pretty neat. I just paddled all the way around the lake twice. It's actually really stable. I was expecting to be kind of tippy with the seat up so high. I got the seat all the way up. I think it goes up like 10 inches. But, man, that's a really stable kayak. Thanks for watching.